Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be making sauce, vegetable sauce. So you're going to heat up your pot and add some red onions. I do not like white onion. I don't know why, because I don't use it. So you're going to add your blended pepper, herbs, green herbs and tomatoes and tatashi. However it is that you want. Even if you don't want green herbs, you can just add up your blended tomato, but please do not use water to blend your tomato when making this vegetable sauce, because there's a lot of water inside the vegetable. So this is pepper, this black thing you're seeing, or some crayfish powder. The pepper is dry because I don't have fresh pepper, and then I added some magic cubes and some decided not to break, and to save my fingers I put inside that plate. I don't know the problem with the maggi that they sell here in Germany. You are going to cover that up and allow it to dry, and in between I added my protein. So here I have some dry fish and I have some meat. This meat is actually a very old meat. It's left over that I had some weeks ago, so I just added it inside it to make the sauce. You don't need a lot, okay? Whatever you have, just use it. You must not use fish, you must not use meat, you can even use eggs, okay? Use whatever it is that you have. And this is my vegetable. As soon as the tomatoes have dried up, you add your vegetables, your diced vegetable. This is the vegetables that I told you guys about that I freeze. I buy this vegetable very far away from home, and because they are the only one that sells this kind of vegetable that is very close to Ugu in Germany. So I buy in bulk, I clean them, I slice them, I put inside the freezer. So you can see that the freezer did not destroy it, it came out. I added one pack, and my husband loved vegetable. He said that he wanted more vegetables, so I added the second pack. You can see that the frozen vegetables are very green. They are still the way I put them in there. So guys, this vegetable is also going to produce water, so that is the reason why your pepper, your tatashi, whatever thing that you're using have to dry up before you add your vegetable. Now you are going to give this a stir and reduce the heat of your cooker, okay? Because you want this to cook in a very low heat, especially if you are using a frozen vegetable. Even if you're not using a virgin vegetable, any type of vegetable, you should allow it to heat and just steam for 2-3 minutes, and then you turn it off. The heating on the pot and is enough to cook it. So the vegetable sauce is ready. We can also use this to swallow. You can use it to eat rice, beans, anything that you have at home. You can actually use this to eat it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, do not forget to share, do not forget to like, do not forget to comment. Until I come your way again, I remain your God, only Igbo princess. Thank you for watching, and bye.